Hello teachers, today I'm going to be teaching you how to teach online safety to your first grade students. So first off, we're going to start off with the standard of W2, which is for first grade, meant for teaching online safety. Some objectives of this lesson is to teach them some rules to follow when they go online and how to ask and who to ask when they're going on different websites. So first off, my artifact is a PowerPoint that includes videos and links to different websites where the kids can go visit and practice the rules that they were given. So first off, I start off with a warm-up of asking the kids some different questions of like, who do you go to when you're sick? And they respond to the doctor. And there's 3 different ones. There's doctors, policemen, and firefighters. So this kind of gets the kids engaged and excited because these are people that they look up to and they might see as heroes. So, and then you kind of try to explain to them that people can dress up as these people. Like maybe, for instance, say you might even have dressed up as a policeman for Halloween, but are you really a policeman? No. And so then you just kind of have to explain to them that some people like might say that they are something, but they really aren't. And that's the same thing as the internet. And just kind of explain to them that using the internet is a fun and cool tool to use where you can learn a lot of stuff, but you have to be safe when you use it. So then I go through some impersonators. I have some different actresses, which since they're kids, they probably won't know who they are, but just to kind of look, it's a picture of a doctor, a person that plays a doctor on a show, and you say, like, this looks like a doctor, right? And then on the next slide, it shows him, like, as an actor, and you say, see, even though he looks like a doctor, he's really not, he's just dressing up as one. And then I continue that for the policeman and the firefighter. So then after that, I kind of explain that even though these men looked like policemen, doctors, and firefighters, that they really weren't. And then just kind of, again, explain to them that when they use the internet, something may seem like it's safe or real, but it's really not. And then explain that there are a couple rules that we have to follow. But first, I need to talk about what the internet is. The kids, they might not even know. I'm sure they have an idea just because of this day and age and everything that they've been given from their parents. So just kind of like give them a recap on what the internet actually is. And then we're going to get into the actual rules for the internet. So then I added a video from YouTube online with characters from The Lion King. I chose this video just because it's interactive and they've probably seen the movie, and so it's a fun way to get their attention, but it also teaches them things about the internet that they need to learn. So then we go over the rules. So you explain each role, and for each role, kind of explain like what it means. So first one, always ask your parent or a teacher. Explain before you go onto a website. It might be not true or unreal. It might contain a virus or something that could hurt your computer and it can infect it. So you need to ask your people that are watching over you if you can get on this website. And then just kind of do the same thing for the second and third one. So then we're going to take an internet field trip. I'm going to split the class into 2 sections, and I've put 2 different website URLs on here. So you're going to split them up and have them look up each website. But they have to use the rules that you've given them. So before they go on the website, they have to raise their hands and ask you if they can go on this website, and just follow the rules that you've given them. So yeah, so then I have the 2 stations and the 2 different website URLs. The first one is a San Diego Zoo Kids website that they can go on, and then a Fun Brain, which is kind of just activities for kids. So then after they've learned everything, they're going to do a Kahoot, which is a quiz online. It's super easy, super simple, really easy for them to understand. I think it's like 6 or 7 questions, and it just kind of goes over the rules, like what the internet is and how to apply them. And that is my digital artifact, and I hope that it is very useful to everyone.